Hello and welcome to the onion chutney recipe. So you will need, well, onions and lots of them. So here's a big bag of 5 kilos. You can make 5 kilos if you like. This recipe is actually for 1.5 kilos. You'll need a big pot to put them in. This pot we use for everything. Jam, you name it, chutneys. There's some brown sugar. There's 200 grams of brown sugar. Then you'll need red wine vinegar and balsamic vinegar, 200 mils of each of those. Chopping knife, chopping board, some bay leaves and some olive oil. Into a jug, pour 200 mils of the red wine vinegar and 200 mils of the balsamic vinegar. You'll see when you add the balsamic, that's what gives it that dark look. Here's a bit of before and after. There's the 1.5 kilos of onions with the skins on. Then you've got the 1.5 kilo of onions with the skins off. And then you'll see what 1.5 kilograms of onions looks like chopped by hand. You can use a processor, it chops them very fine sometimes, and this recipe is a bit better with chunky onions, I would say. Add 2 chilies. These are dry, you can actually use fresh ones. It's not going to add a lot of heat to the recipe. Add it all to the big pot. Add the brown sugar, the bay leaves, the chili. Then you're going to add the olive oil. In this case, it's 2 tablespoons or 4 dessert spoons of olive oil with the balsamic vinegar and red wine vinegar mix. Give it a bit of a stir around and put it onto the high heat until it starts to bubble. Then turn it down to simmer and watch. Sterilize some jars and lids, and after about 90 minutes the mixture is going to be done. It's going to smell of onions, and you're going to start adding that into the jars and seal them. Now, onion chutney is best served after at least 3 months. You can eat it before, it's going to taste really vinegary if you do. Serve it with crackers and cheese or add it to things. It's fantastic, unbeatable.